welcome to my channel where it's all about crypto. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your Songbird tokens to see how many you have. So our first step, you need to hit where it says Wrap Songbird. You hit that. Then you want to hit Receive. And where it says View on Block Explorer, you want to hit that. So next what you want to do is scroll down, and where it says From, you want to copy the address. Then you want to back out and go back to the very beginning of your Bifrost wallet. Okay, so now that we're back to the front, what you need to do is go to your dApps. From there, I've already done it, but you want to, in your search bar, so you want to put in Flare, FTSO, list. Hit search. And as you can see where it says Flaremetrics.is, where it says Flaremetrics.io, you want to hit that. And when you hit that, it'll give you your Flaremetrics. So you want to bookmark that. After you bookmark it, hit that. It's going to bring you to this page where you have the three little lines at in the right hand corner. You want to hit that. When you hit that and you look to the left where it says Home, FTSO List, Check Rewards, you want to hit Check Rewards. The address that you copied, you want to paste that in here. Hit Check Now. Bam, there's your rewards. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you found it helpful in any type of way, like, subscribe. I'm out.